guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of your cute, nice stationery which you can buy in stores here in Hyderabad. Personally, I'm an absolute sucker for cute stationery. I love collecting diaries, books, pens, and just any random stuff, even if it's not necessary. I just love collecting cute stationery. And fun fact, as a kid, I always, used to dream about, marrying a guy who owned a stationery shop, because stationery shops are usually like paradises for me. So yeah, I'm an absolute sucker for them. Point proved. I'll be showing you few stuff because I don't really have a lot of them, because the whole place in the back was getting too messy, or I just put everything in a cardboard and send it to some other place so that I can just use it or get it whenever I want it. So I just have few products which can look good there, and I can totally give you a proper glance or proper information as to what all are actually available there and what are the price points and everything in a glance. So you're not worried. I'm just going to be showing you few varieties, but I'm going to be talking about the place and the price ranges of products here and there. So yeah, if you're interested, then keep on watching. So the first place is Crosswords. Crosswords is not exactly a stationery shop, but you get amazing diaries, you get pouches, you get bags. So this is one of the diary I got from them. And I think, if you guys know the online website Doodles, you get a lot of Doodles products there. Is this cute little diary. It has this sparkly detail and it has a lock. Sequence diaries like these, diaries like these, you get all the cute stuff. But talking of the price point, they are not slightly, a little bit more on expensive side. I don't have the price on this right now, but as far as I remember, this was around 700 rupees. That book, and if you are like, I want one book and I'm okay with it, I can actually use it, or I can actually write things on it, and it is okay. All the prices in the particular store are of same are in the same range, but there are a few books from Doodles which are less expensive. Wait, I'll just get a book and show you. You can basically get books like these, like diaries with this, and even books like these are all from Doodle. It's Doodle, not Doodles, sorry. It's Doodle. These two are from Doodle. I've seen books like these in Crossword. So if I'm not wrong, these books are comparatively less expensive. But to be honest, I feel like the books online, that is on Doodle's site, are much cheaper than in store. I'm not really sure. Correct me if you know. So you get books like these. You get books like these. You get books like these. You get amazing books again in Crossword. And the second place is called Walden. I right now don't really have a lot of stuff from there. I have this stickers packet, and I also have this diary, which is pretty basic. It just has like ruled pages, if you can see, and that's it. But talking about Walden and not about these products, Walden is again a super huge stationery paradise. You get amazing diaries, amazing pens, like whatever stationery you'll ever need in this world, it's available there. Name it, you'll find it. There are wide variety of color pencils, there are sketches, there are everything, literally. There are glue guns, literally everything ever you need, everything ever you need. There's slimes, and there's everything, there's literally everything. But I feel that they're a bit pricey. These stickers were for 60 rupees. I know they are like these 3D ones, but even if I'm not wrong, this book was around 300 to 400 rupees, because it's a pretty basic book, and you get books like that if you invest more, like 200-300 rupees. But I wanted a diary at that time very badly, and if I'm not wrong, this is one of my first diaries ever. It is a super amazing story. You need to give it a try. Like you'll die. Like if you're an absolute lover for stationery like I am, I can just look at stationery. Okay, I'm doing a lot of stationery, but I basically do videos only which I love. So in all of my videos, you might think that this girl, she says about about everything, but I make videos which I love, about the things which I absolutely love. So that is what I express a lot. I don't think I'm very expressive, but I'm very expressive. Okay, that is not making any sense, but yeah, you get food stationery. Coming to the next place, there's this place called the Dollar Tree or the Dollar Store in City Center Mall. It has some really cute stuff. So I got this basic plain white notebook, and there's something, all of the things are under 99 or something. So this is like a very tiny notebook, nothing very fancy, but it is so cute. It has all these flamingos, bananas, flowers, and all of this going on. So I got this one. It was only for 99 rupees, and just sit down and watch out for this. Look at this cute little unicorn notebook along with the pen. Oh my god, this is the cutest thing I bought. When I showed it to my mom, my mom almost stole it from me, but I fought and took it back, of course. So these are the two things which I have from the dollar store or the Dollar Tree store. They have this thing where things are either 49, 199, 290. I think the maximum price there is like 299. Not only do you get stationery, but stationery is just like a rack of it. There are a lot of things. There are a lot of bottles. You get cups. You get cosmetics, which I don't want to trust though. You get cosmetics. You get perfumes, and I've also seen a lot of foreign chocolates which are not available in India. You get wallets. You get phone cases also, I guess, if I'm not wrong. But one thing is, throughout the year, I didn't find cute stationery there. The first time when I went, I was not really planning on buying anything, so I just went to have a look. Then I saw a lot of cute stuff there. But the second time I went, this is the only cute thing which I actually found. But I don't think things are absolutely amazing throughout. I'm talking about stationery. Things are not absolutely amazing throughout the year, but you have to search. You have to keep checking it out frequently so that you can see what all good stuff are you getting. Again, here you have amazing variety. I'm not talking about books. You have cans, and then you have nice glues. You have a lot of arts and crafts stuff there. Again, they're very affordable. If I'm not wrong, this thing was for 49 rupees. And that place is very reasonable and very nice and has a huge variety. It's kind of like Superdry. Sorry, what? Super. I don't know what's wrong with me. Super 99 or Market 99. But more affordable and a huge variety. But for some reason, I don't really like Market 99 or Super 99. I'm sorry, I don't remember the name properly. Market 99, I guess. I don't really like it. But I just love visiting the place every time I go there. Coming to the fourth place, it is the M Store. I know most of you guys know it. It is situated at AMB Mall, like Sharad City Mall. Most of people say that, but again, dude, they have super cute books. I'm sucker for their mugs. They have amazing like the photo frames and stuff. Oh my god, that place is again another paradise for me. And things compared to Crossword and everything, like the diary. I saw a similar diary in Crossword for like what, 800 rupees or something. But look, just have a look at this. How pretty is this one? I'm so happy with it because it also has the pages inside them are pretty nice, and they have the printed detail on them. And this thing goes for 350 rupees only. Again, I'm not really sure if the stuff is available all year round because they tend to go out of stock very quickly because they're cute stuff. People love buying from them. So I have this book, and I also have this book. I wanted this book for so long, like so long. This is the sequence book. It turns silver and it turns pink. This book on like I have seen such books in a lot of places. I've seen this in Sugar Box and everything, and nothing was less than 450 rupees max. The least was 450 rupees when I saw it online, but this book I got it for only 250 rupees. So I'm absolutely in love with it. 1 second, I'm in search of one and I found 3 things. I got this book, so if you're a stationery addict, then you'll understand why people buy such random stuff. Again, I haven't used this book at all. It's super long, and this entire thing retailed for 105 rupees. I thought it was such a nice deal. Like even the color is so good. Like the color is good. I know it's not very fancy, but again, oh my god, I actually forgot to show you this book. Again, this is like a nice diary. Again, I got this from the M Store. I have things written on them which I won't be showing you guys. This is how it looks like. It has a nice spiral and it has this pattern on both sides. Again, M Store has amazing products. You just need to look out for them. And they have such cute cute pouches. And when I saw pouches on Nykaa, they were pretty expensive. Like one pouch was for 500 rupees or something. But this, I know the quality is kind of cheap, and it weirdly says, wait, let me show you. It weirdly says Queen's Secret on it. It's kind of weird. But whenever you're traveling or something, you can just put in all the stuff and carry. It comes with 3 pouches, which I'm not able to find right now. But this is one of the pouch. I think one of the pouches is down there. Again, you need to like dig in. You need to sit and concentrately view every product, because they have a lot of things in one place. So you need to like just go rack by rack to find good products. You need to spend a good 1 hour in one rack. That is what I did. And yeah, I think these books are always available, so if you are looking for a book like this, you can go check it out. Coming to the next one, I didn't believe like cute stationery are actually available in that store, but they are. It is the Himalaya bookstore. Personally, I thought Himalaya bookstore only sold novels and the books which you actually need in your intermediate and your engineering, like the IIT JEE type of books. But look, they have got one of the best pens in the world. I can totally say that because world for me is the places where I have been to. But look at them. These are not pencils, they are pens. And they're actually writing. Initially I thought they weren't, but they are. And I got them on sale, I guess. They were for 50 rupees each. And look at them. Again, I love collecting pens. They also have such cute pens. Look at this. Here's a bunny. Get this pen. It has some edges, I guess, and I'll just show them quickly. And this pen, which has a nice flower, and then we have, I think these were a set of 2 together, the calligraphy pen set. I'm not really sure if this works or not. This was for 120 rupees. This was for 120 rupees. It's right here. I don't really remember the prices of all the pens I have here, but they were around 50, 40, 30, 60, 70, around that. But I surely remember the prices for these because I was absolutely shocked knowing that these were for only 50 rupees. I got a little cute diary, small one. This was for 50 rupees, as you can see. Again, I went in depth in that store and I could see they are amazing diaries. Again, if you're a lover, I'm going to be saying this, if you're a lover for stationery, if you love diaries and everything, you can go to that place. Again, it has amazing sketch pens, like all the varieties. And again, they have like the dollar store and Himalaya bookstore, you know, in this area the products are pretty similar. They also have these marshmallows and stuff, which is a little difficult to find here in Hyderabad. So they have marshmallows and stuff. They also have really cute slimes. They had a super huge variety of slimes, you know. They had a super huge variety. So yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel because that would mean a lot to me. And do let me know if you know any other stationery stores which I missed out and I actually don't know. I would be the most luckiest person if you do that. You can buy cute stationery online. I can do that video as well. So yeah, I really hope this video was not very boring because I kept ranting a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until, take care. Bye.